Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a spiced honey drizzle cake.
Hey everyone, I hope you're hungry because Jeanette's gonna be dishing out some mighty fine food. Oh my. Please comment, subscribe, and like, and let's get our baking on. That's right.
To start with, you need 100 grams of light brown soft sugar, and to this you add 100 grams of salted butter, but we don't do salt, so this is just ordinary margarine butter. So now there's your sugar and your butter, you just whisk together till it's creamy. Right, to this mixture you want 100 grams of runny honey. Also to the mixture you want half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 100 ml of milk, and 1 egg. It does say on the recipe, don't worry if it curdles slightly. Once you've added the flour, it becomes a light batter. The last ingredient to go into this mixture is 150 grams of self-raising flour, which you've got to fold. The last thing we need to do now is tip it into the prepared tin. All there's left to do now is put this in the oven on 180 degrees centigrade, 160 degrees centigrade or gas mark for 45 minutes. So I'll see you in a little while. Bye. For the first time I'm using my hot plate, look. I've already turned it on so it warms it up a bit. So for this bit we need 1 ounce of butter, which goes in there. And to this 1 ounce of honey. This is the glaze for the cake, which is there. Yes, it hasn't rose very much, but it's got honey and everything in it. So it just says melt the butter and honey in a small pan until smooth. Leave to cool until thickened, then drizzle over the top of the cooled cake. So I've let this cool down. As you can see, it's lovely and thick, and all that there is to do now is drizzle the glaze over the cake. As you can see, I've drizzled it over the cake now. It says to leave till it's set, so before serving. And yes, I've put it on my new turntable what Mr. P bought me, and obviously I've put some greaseproof paper on it, so all there's left to do now is let that set. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to me. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up, and thank you for watching. So I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.